Vijay Singla is an Indian politician and the MLA representing the Mansa Assembly constituency in the Punjab Legislative Assembly. He was the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Medical Education, Govt of Punjab between March-May 2022. He is a member of the Aam Aadmi Party. He was elected as the MLA in the 2022 Punjab Legislative Assembly election. Singla was elected as the MLA in the 2022 Punjab Legislative Assembly election. He represented the Mansa Assembly constituency in the Punjab Legislative Assembly. Singla took oath as a cabinet minister along with 9 other MLAs on 19 March at Guru Nanak Dev Auditorium of Punjab Raj Bhavan in Chandigarh. 8 ministers including Singla who took oath were Greenhorn MLAs. As a cabinet minister in the Man Ministry, Singla was given the charge of 2 departments of the Punjab government. On May 24, 2022, Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann sacked Singla from the cabinet ministry after charges of corruption against him came up. Punjab police was ordered by the CM to investigate the case. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.